This is the Cuisinart Chef's Classic Non-Stick Hard Anodized Cookware. It has lots of great pieces, but it has some really standout features. First, I'm going to show you the skillet. The interior of the skillet has a non-stick cooking surface, and it's called Quantanium. It is titanium reinforced, so it's very durable. And with this cookware, you can actually use metal utensils when you're cooking. The other thing about this is you'll notice the outside is gray, and this is the hard anodized exterior. When this is manufactured, this hard anodized exterior is actually harder than stainless steel. You'll also notice here, this is the cast handle. So it's solid, it's riveted on. You'll see here on the inside, the rivets, and then also on the outside, right there. You'll also notice that this has a really nicely tapered handle, so it has a nice shape to it. It also has a nice valley here so that you can stick your thumb in there whenever you want to move your cookware from the stove to the cooktop or even the sink. This cookware can also go in the oven up to 500 degrees, so it's really, really versatile. Now I'm going to show you one of the pots. This is the stock pot. It's a nice generous size when you're doing anything from boiling pasta to making chili or even homemade soups. This is a great piece to have in your kitchen. It's also great for steaming corn or any type of artichokes or vegetables because it's nice and deep and a generous size. So first I'm just going to put this here for a moment, and I just want to show you how the handles actually flare out a little bit on the sides, and that's really nice because you get a really sturdy grip on your cookware, and you also keep your fingers away from the hot pot. One thing that I forgot to mention to you is that the shape of these handles, and also I'm just going to pick this up and show you. The shape of this handle here, you'll notice is a little V. This aids in keeping the handle cool on the top of the stove when you're cooking, but always make sure that you use the right size heating element. Like for a pan like this, you should never go wider than the bottom of the actual pan, because if you do, heat will actually come directly up into the handle and it will get hot. So make sure you use the right size element when you're cooking in your kitchen. This is a really, really versatile set of cookware. It's beautifully designed. The Quantanium surface is really durable, and you'll get lots of great use out of it in your kitchen.
Tired of food sticking to the pan? You try to scrape it, and then you scratch it. You may as well trash it. Not anymore. Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with Gotham Steel, the newest technology in non-stick cookware made with ceramic and super strong titanium. Stronger than ever before. It's literally like cooking on air. Everything slides right off. This pan makes cooking so easy. Check out this s'mores recipe. Start with chocolate chips, add sweetened condensed milk, marshmallows, and then bake. That's right, use Gotham Steel in the oven to up to 500 degrees. And then look, it slides right out. Delicious. And it's dishwasher safe. Watch, you'd never whisk eggs in a non-stick pan, right? Well, you can with my pan. Use metal and never make a scratch ever. No oil or butter, absolutely no sticking and no scratches. It's amazing. Plus make flavorful flaky salmon and grill steaks to perfection. Look, burnt cheese is a frying pan disaster. Not with my pan. Shredded parmesan, right on the heat. And here's a secret. Shape a bowl for a unique way to serve party dips. Even fire won't damage Gotham Steel. Make steak fajita flambe with ease. No burnt stuck-on mess. Just a clean pan and flawless food every time.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart 11-piece hard anodized cookware set. It has a nice selection of pieces to fit all of your cooking needs, and it comes with some great features. First is the reinforced quantum cooking surface. It has great food release, and it also is reinforced so that you can use metal utensils while you're cooking. The other thing that's nice about it is it has a nice V shape on the handle, and the handle's really easy to hold on to. Has a nice feel when you're gripping it. It also, this V shape doesn't allow the heat to go up the handle while you're cooking, so it doesn't get hot. It also comes with a really nice steamer, so you can put that right in top of your little sauce pot there. And it also comes with glass lids. And the tempered glass lids are rimmed in stainless steel for reinforcement. And you'll also notice that both the handles on the cookware pieces and also on the lids are riveted. So they're really, really secure. This product is really versatile for your home kitchen, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro 12-piece cookware set. It's a beautiful collection, basically all the things that you'll need to really get started cooking in the kitchen. I'll show you some of the pieces, and then I'll talk about some of the features and benefits. This happens to be a really nice size saute pan. You notice it has a wide helper handle on the side and a nice thin profile on the stick handle here. It's also riveted on, as you can see, here, and also on the inside of the pan here. It's really easy to lift and carry, especially with the helper handle. When you have a full load of food in there, it makes it easy to lift and move around. The other thing I'd like to mention is that the inside here, you'll notice it's nice and shiny. It's polished stainless steel. And on the outside, you have a beautiful brushed finish. And on the rim here, you can see it's got a little mirror finish on the top for accent. The other thing about this is that even though it's stainless on the outside and stainless on the inside, its core is aluminum, which is really, really good at conducting heat. So what happens is you'll have great heat distribution from all the way down the side and the complete bottom of the pan. And that way you won't get any hot spots when you're cooking. The other thing here, you'll notice there's some lids. And you get 5 lids with this set. You'll notice it has a nice high arch. That's really good when lifting it off your piece of cookware so that you keep your knuckles away from the top if it's hot. The other thing is you'll notice it has a nice ridge here, and that helps with keeping it really tight on the pan. And that's great, especially if you're doing any kind of cooking where to keep the liquid and the moisture and the nutrients inside. So you get 2 skillets, a saute pan, and also 2 nice saucepans. This larger one actually accommodates a steamer insert, and this is your steamer insert. This is a really great piece. You just put it right here, and then you can put the lid on like so. And what happens is you put your water or broth or whatever you're using to steam your food in the bottom, and then you put your food in here, keep the lid on, and you can steam a really nice piece of fish or Brussels sprouts or any kind of vegetable that you like. So that's really, really handy and an extra nice piece. The other thing that you can do with this steamer insert, if you like, is if you're making a small batch of pasta, you can actually use this to drain ingredients too. I like to use it for that. And then, you know, a stock pot is great to have. You can use it for lots of things such as soups, chilies. You know, I like to use it to make spaghetti sauce myself, and it's a perfect size. It's large enough where you can make some for dinner tonight and have some to save for storage or for later on in the week. The other thing that I like about this cookware is the fact that it's very, very versatile. It can go from your refrigerator right to the stove and then to the table if you like. The other thing I like about it is it goes right into the dishwasher. It can be used to top brown and broil because it's not coated inside. And there you have it, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro 12-piece cookware set.